Good morning, guys. We are doing a generator, an 18 kW, right here in Pointe in North Myrtle Beach. We're going to do something a little different today than what you normally see with a conduit along the base of the house. So, enjoy. He's so strong. Ooh. Hey, son. I love you. Thanks, buddy. If you don't know, this is a bonding screw. It bonds the neutral and the ground bars to the back of the panel. On systems that didn't already have a disconnect, it means you usually have a 3-wire system, so there's your neutral and grounds are bonded together. And when you add a means of disconnect, you need to separate your grounds and neutrals inside the electrical panel. So if for some reason you're going from a meter to a disconnect to the panel, and they don't separate your grounds and neutrals and remove this bonding screw, and they've done it wrong, they need to come back and fix that. Hey guys, so yesterday we came and did this install. However, this home was piped with Flex, which is a corrugated flexible steel gas line. Unfortunately, here in North Myrtle Beach area, nobody carries Flex except for one supplier out in Conway. So yesterday, this stuff looks just like track pipe or gas tight. So we drove around to 7 different supply houses trying to find the correct fittings for these, and couldn't find any. So thankfully, my friends at H2O Plumbing, or H2O Pros, he actually had some on the truck, but the difference is Flex uses these collars, and track pipe uses like a ring. So, well, not like, they do use a ring. So we couldn't find the right fittings yesterday, so unfortunately this customer had to wait a day until we could find them, but we did, so we're gonna continue on.